Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna give you a simple tutorial on how to add the revolving flames effects to your videos in CapCut. So after you import your video to CapCut, you can just click on the effect. Now click on the body effect and then go to the glowing lines category on the body effect, and in here you just need to scroll down until you find the revolving flames effect. So this one, click on that, and to adjust it furthermore you can just go with this. You can adjust the speed and also the color. I'm going to go with this color, sorry, like the yellow color. Now click on a check icon and apply it to all of your clips, and you are done. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.